We're here in Collegetown Center at apartment number 528. We're in a studio apartment. This is an angle window style apartment. We're on the 5th floor of the 6th floor building. We'll enter to the kitchen where we'll find the refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, cabinets and drawers, and our stove and oven. We'll pass by the closet. Let's take a look at the room part. You can see the furnishings. We'll have the same items in all the apartments. The bookshelf, full-size bed, dining table and chair, dresser, desk and chair. Let's take a look out the window of this angle style apartment. You can see we're closer to College Avenue on the left-hand side. It's a gorgeous view. We've got some nice sky. That's a little to the west. Let's take a look at the bathroom. We have this style apartment on floors 2 through 6. Again, this is the number 28 style angle window studio apartment in Collegetown Center. We're located at 151 Dryden Road at the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, just 1 block from campus.